The end of tenancy can be a stressful time for any renter. But let's not anger our landlords and put our security deposit at risk by forgetting to clean up after ourselves. If you want to have a smooth and peaceful move out, follow the cleaning tips we've listed today. Number 1. Start early. Don't procrastinate and do some last-minute cleaning. You're more likely to miss many areas if you do so. Number 2. Prioritize your kitchen and bathroom. These two areas likely have the most dirt and bacteria. You'll want to make sure the cabinets and countertops are spotless too. Number 3. Clean the appliances. If the rental also comes with its own appliance, do clean them as well. Number 4. Remember the walls. Cleaning the floors is a given, but don't forget the walls and skirting. Make sure they're free from dust and stains. Number 5. Wipe down the glasses. You should also clean the windows, mirrors, and other glass surfaces so they're free from streaks. Number 6. Remove your belongings. Start clearing the home of your personal items so you have an easier time moving out. You may have to rent a storage unit for this. Number 7. Use mild cleaning products. Gentle cleaning products will help you avoid damaging surfaces while cleaning. This way, you can avoid further problems with your landlord. Number 8. Clean up your outdoor spaces too. If your rental has a balcony or a garden, you should clean that as well. It'll lessen the issues for future tenants. Number 9. Be honest about damages. Always let your landlord know about any damages in the rental property. Don't do makeshift repairs that will only make things worse. If you're responsible for the damage, hire a professional to repair it. And that's all there is to it. With these tips, you can have a clean home that's easier to move out of. Let's leave our rental property in condition for the next household to use it. And remember, if you struggle with your cleaning tasks, there are always expert house cleaners who can help. Just give them a call and they'll give you more peace of mind.